Model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3 2.2 HDI flatbed dropside NOBE runner needs engine repair, one owner VAT inclusive bargain. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 96,215. MOT, the 8th of December 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, bottom end bearings are squealing. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Definitely worth doing, ulez compliant, nice tidy dropside. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5.